4,765 options contracts 5 minutes ago at 10:09 a.m. on Tesla, and 2,000 options contracts just 1 minute ago at 10:13 a.m. It is now 10:15 a.m., June 9. And in this video, we're going to analyze these unusual options activity because Tesla is rallying again. You'll see here, it broke the 250 price point. It is up 7% now. And so this is the 11th day of the rally. And if you watched our video and followed it, we've called a very bullish position on Tesla on this day on May 25. And so we are updating and tracking Tesla. And so make sure to subscribe so you get updated whenever we detect these unusual options on Tesla like this, which just happened just a few minutes ago. You'll have to have the bell icon clicked to notify you of these videos when we upload them. And so let's get right down to it and find out what these two sets of options activity mean. So let's go for the earliest one, the 2,000 of them here. You'll see here that they're buying the 270 calls and selling the 265 calls. This is June 30, and that's June 16. So June 16, the 270 calls, this expires in just 7 days away. So if we go to the options contracts, you'll see here quite a lot of activity here, 25,000 in the volume here, much greater than the open interest at the 270. So we know these are opening orders. For the 265 that expires 30 of June, let's take a look at that. 265, 21 days away. And you'll see here, this volume is actually less than the open interest. So these could be closing orders at the 265, right? So if that's the case, you can see here, they're closing the 265s out, selling this to close it out, taking profits basically on the 265 calls, and repositioning, buying the 270 calls at a shorter time frame and spending less. So what they're doing is they take profits of the $730, taking some of that profit and then buying the 271s. So that's what they're doing here, and which is still bullish because they're left with this 270 strike price calls here. For the 10:09 a.m., these 4,765, what's going on here? Well, let's take a look. This is July 21s. And when we take a look at it, that was the 210s and the 240s. So you'll see here the 210s, the volume here is actually less than the open interest. So these could be closing orders. Same with the 240 over here. So they could just be taking profits now and closing their, these are all in the money now. You'll see these call strikes. Same with our position when we made this trade on May 25, when we bought the 200 strike calls and sold the 230 strike calls. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to do that so you can learn how we predicted this bullish run on Tesla. I'll put a link at the top here, and at the end of the video you can also watch that. You'll see that this is our original trade here on May 25. We actually got it for $633, and currently the profit is up to 1,666. So it's quite a lot. 1,666 divided by the initial investment times 100 is our percentage. So we are at 263% on this Tesla trade already. And this is definitely very high for a trade that was only 11 days long. But it was also quite miraculous that Tesla had such a strong rally and these unusual options predicted it. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't, to follow these unusual options activity on stocks. If you're interested in other stocks as well, or our trades or analysis of different stocks, you can click on our channel homepage and click the join button for our membership. We have exclusive videos covering other stocks as well, where you can learn how to trade unusual options activity by watching how we are doing it and watching our analysis of other stocks as well. All right, hope this was helpful, and take care, everybody, and good luck.